All right, we're gonna need forceps on this guy.
Yeah, second trout. Here.
You know how to use them?
You wanna do it? Because I don't wanna.
You might. Oh. Okay, here.
It's right there. Oh, look at this guy's tail.
Here.
He got bit. Look at that tail.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got bit a little bit. He got messed up a little bit.
Here we go.
Yeah.
You want to hold the recorder? I'll do it.
I can't. Look at my hands in blood. I'll do it. I'll do it. Here, let me watch. There you go. I don't want to drop it. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're recording. Second trout.
So
We're keeping it.
to get the hook out of this trout, this poor guy with no tail,
Yeah.
you got to take the forceps with the head of the hook.
Yep.
Push
You want him
down
to live
up.
or no? It's too.
He's gonna be dead. He'll be dead.
Okay, put him in. Let's go. That's 2 trout.
We'll eat these guys.
Okay, can I end it, Dad?
Yeah.
Okay, there's our 2 trout, guys. Bye.